Welcome to our YouTube channel. You can get different type of tips and tricks from this YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed it, go ahead. Today I am going to teach you how we can do some online work by entering data in Excel. For that, open Excel. You can see the sheet here. Type serial number as and write name and address and phone number and EMP code and next cell salary and remarks. Look at this here and select from serial number to remarks and go to the shading color and apply any shading color. Look at this here and go to the bold, control B, or go to the bold section, home tab and font group and increase the font size. Look at this here, increase the font size and auto fit the column. Look at this here, auto fit the column. Select the all sheet and go to the T column and right align and double click on mouse left button and go to the home tab and apply all border. Look at this here, apply all border. Now to enter data with the help from form, click on file menu and go to option and go to the quick access toolbar and go to the popular command and choose the all command and go to the form. Look at this here, go to form, click on add button and okay, do it. Okay, select the heading, go to the form. Look at this here, go to the form and click on ok and ok. Look at this here, serial number 1, name, RAM, address, India and phone number. Look at this here and EMP code E001 and salary 15,000 and remarks no. Okay, go to the new button. Look at this here and serial number 2 and name and remarks as. In this way, by entering data one by one, you can easily speed up the work of data entry in Excel. We will meet again in another video. Thank you so much.